Okay, so we have also another thing that we need to focus on, which is dummy activities. So what is dummy activities? Dummy activity, it's a fake activity. It's a fake activity, has zero duration, and this activity it helps us to draw the network diagram. We need to use the dummy activity when we have this kind of predecessor or this kind of relationship. Let's have this activity and the predecessor of this activity. He says here we have activity A, B, and A, B, C, and D activities. And he's telling us that activity C depends on A and B. If we need to draw, C depends on A and B. So we have activity A and activity B. In other words, C start at the end of A and B. So activity A start from here and finish here. Activity B will start here and finish here. And C start when A and B is finished. So we can have C here. So this one is applicable. So C depends on A and B. When A and B finish, C can start. Okay, so we are done with this one. The same time, we have activity D depends only on B. Activity D depends only on B. So when B is finished, B start from here and finish here. So when B is finished, I can have activity D. Okay. Now we look at this one. C depends on what? A and B. So this is correct. D depends on what? Based on this network, or D depends on what? It depends on A and B. It shows that from this diagram that A and B must finish in order D can start. So this one is not the same as this one. C depends on A and B, the same as here. D depends on A and B. D depends on A and B. If we have actually the same network here. But he's telling us that D depends only on B. So how to draw something that represents D depends only on B? At the same time, we cannot neglect that C also depends on A and B. So at the end of this one, we need to make sure that it achieve this condition and achieve this condition. So what we need to do, we just drag this one here and we use the dummy activity. This is what we have drawn here, the same as what we have drawn. This one is the same here, which is not correct because C depends on A and B. Yes, this is correct. But here, D depends on A and B, which is not correct. D only depends on B. So what we need to do, we need to drag this one here and we use a dummy activity. So this is activity A, this is activity B. Activity A start from here and finish from here. Activity B will start from here and finish from here. And we have this ... dummy activity, fake activity, zero duration. It doesn't represent anything, but it just helps us to draw the network diagram and explain the relationships and the predecessor. Let's see if this two condition is correct when we have this kind of dummy activities and this new diagram. C depends on A and B. So it means when A and B finish, C can start. So A is finished from here, so C can start. B also finish here because we have this one and this is an arrow here, so it will also finish from here. Can finish from here and finish here. It's the same. And we just drag this one with dummy activity that has zero duration. So it would be the same. C depends on A and also depends on B. You can see that it's also finished at this point. So C depends on A and depends also on B. So this is correct. D depends on B. So when B is finished here, also D can start. B start from here and finish from here. Or finish here. It's the same. If it is finished from here, D can start. If it's finished from here, C can start. So at this one, it shows also that D depends only at the end of B only. It doesn't link with A because the arrow is going up, not going down. So this is the end of B and the start of D. So D depends only on B. So this condition also correct, like applied in the represented by the network diagram. So this is how we draw the network analysis using the activity on arrow. So thank you for your listening and we'll see you in the following session.